guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to volley the ball. Okay, so you could do this. But that's unofficial. Give me the ball.
I'll talk to her later.
Okay, guys. That's a good chicken. Okay. That's how you do it. It's unofficial, unreliable, and it doesn't work all the time.
Yeah, I do her mission.
Yeah, you went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Okay, so while the mic's off, this is how Sigma I am. I'm so Sigma that none of you can ever reach this level of Sigma. I'm so Rizzler, I'm so Sigma, like skibbity Sigma. I'm back. This is how you do it. First look down.
He's watching a YouTube video too.
Look at how I missed that. Don't you see how trash? What just happened? I guess it's like Devin, I need you to join me for my YouTube video.
Keep on moving. What the fuck?
Just a second, okay? It's supposed. What am I yapping about? This is the complete pinnacle.
Oh yeah, but it's not even letting me follow it. Like, if I come up on it,
And they have really more yapping of yapper of yap.
let me check it out first, and I'll see.
I got, of course, more yapping.
I'm trying to see how this. So once I pull up on the high cell, that means I should be able to see the truck.
Yeah.
DJ.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to get me some guns first.
Okay. The guy is here. I'm gonna be showing you how to feint. Scratch the volley because it's unreliable. It's unreliable, but the only way you can do it is like kind of like this, I guess. I messed it up. I know I'm messing it up. No, forget it. This is how you feint. You could do this, but that might happen, or this might happen. And if there's a Nagi user, the second he touches hands on the ball, like how I'm gonna touch you. If he uses dash, you just pass him the ball. Okay, so okay, so so what we want to do, we gotta do this. It's very professional, you know. Come try to get the ball. Come. Scratch that. You'll scratch.
How you look here? Oh, beat you my friend.
Redo, come get this ball.
Bro, how you let him sit here? Oh, like that.
It's all about in the figure. You might think you're faster because you have that, but I also am fast. Go ahead and run. You might think you're gaining on me, but
Like, how you let him sit here and take the ball like that?
Answer the question. Keep asking.
it was a flaw.
Blue.
Yeah, it was a fluke because in the 1 second that I'm dashing to get the ball,
Nah, I'm trying to hear
look, it's serious. Cause when I'm trying to get the ball, It's open.
Um,
Go to recreate my fluke. Try to get the ball, David. Try to get the ball. Alright, dude. That wasn't supposed to happen. Well, let me get that ball. Okay. This is back away. This is what's supposed to happen. Back away. This is what's supposed to happen. That. It's not meant for direct conference. You know. I'm not I'm showing a video. It's not meant for direct stuff, you know. It's meant for stuff like this. Come on. Go on, try to score. Go on. I don't know. Go on, try to score. Come on, score. Shoot the ball. Right now, shoot the ball. Shoot the ball up. Jump. I dare you. I dare you to jump. Go ahead. Come get the ball. Come get it. Come get it. This is how you deal. Come get the ball. This is how you deal with stuff. You do this. And since you jump so high, since you
yeah, I gotta go get the gun first. It's high. All the way in the boondock.
I am the Boondocks.
Alright.
And because you jump so high with that, it's easier. Well, that's the end of my video. My iPad is about to die, so bye.